When it comes to living in Miami, homeowners face a unique set of challenges. The tropical climate, frequent storms, and high humidity levels require homes to be equipped with features that can withstand these elements while offering comfort year-round. One of the most important investments a homeowner can make to improve both safety and comfort is the installation of impact windows. But beyond their protective benefits, impact windows are also a smart choice for enhancing your home's energy efficiency. Let's explore how Miami impact windows can make a big difference in your home's energy usage, helping you save money and reduce your environmental footprint. Improved insulation for temperature control. One of the most immediate benefits of impact windows is their ability to regulate indoor temperature. Miami's weather fluctuates between scorching heat and cool, air-conditioned interiors, leading to high energy consumption from your HVAC system. Impact windows feature a multi-layered design that acts as a barrier between your home's interior and the outside environment. This advanced technology minimizes the amount of heat that enters your home during the hot summer months and keeps the cool air in. In the winter, they can prevent the warmth from escaping, ensuring that your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime. With impact windows, your home's insulation is significantly improved, which reduces the need for excessive heating or cooling. As a result, you'll enjoy a more consistent indoor temperature without constantly adjusting the thermostat, leading to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living space. Minimized heat transfer. Impact windows have an additional advantage when it comes to controlling heat transfer. Many of these windows are equipped with low emissivity glass coatings, which are designed to reflect infrared and UV light. These coatings prevent heat from passing through the glass, helping to keep your home cooler during the day. UV rays are notorious for fading furniture, flooring, and artwork, so the protective coating on impact windows not only keeps your home cooler but also helps maintain the longevity and appearance of your interiors. The combination of low-E coatings and multiple layers of glass makes these windows highly effective at reducing heat transfer. In turn, your air conditioning system won't need to work as hard to maintain the temperature you desire, resulting in energy savings. Better storm protection, less wear on your HVAC system. Miami's storm season is no stranger to homeowners, and the damage caused by heavy rains and high winds can lead to increased energy costs. When you invest in Miami impact windows, you gain the added benefit of storm protection. These windows are specially designed to withstand hurricane-force winds and flying debris, reducing the need for temporary storm protection like shutters. During a storm, your home's HVAC system is often affected by power surges or damage from the weather, which can lead to higher energy consumption when it's restored. With impact windows, your home's energy efficiency remains intact during and after the storm. Additionally, the added protection means you won't need to replace or repair windows as frequently, leading to lower long-term costs. Noise reduction and increased comfort. Another way impact windows enhance energy efficiency is by reducing external noise. Miami's busy streets, traffic, and the hum of the urban environment can disrupt the peace and quiet of your home. Impact windows, with their dense construction, not only block out outside noise but also make your home more comfortable overall. A quieter home means your HVAC system doesn't have to adjust as frequently to maintain an ideal temperature, as outside disturbances won't cause as much fluctuation in the indoor environment. This reduction in noise pollution can be particularly beneficial in a city like Miami, where the hustle and bustle can sometimes detract from your peace of mind. With Miami Impact Windows, your home becomes a sanctuary that is quieter, cooler, and more energy efficient. Long-term savings and increased home value. While the initial investment in Impact Windows might seem like a significant expense, the energy savings and long-term benefits far outweigh the cost. Over time, your reduced energy bills and increased comfort will make the investment worthwhile. Impact Windows also add significant value to your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. The improved energy efficiency and storm protection they offer will be a strong selling point in a market like Miami, where homeowners value both safety and sustainability. Conclusion. Incorporating Miami Impact Windows into your home is a smart decision that goes beyond storm protection. They are a powerful tool for enhancing your home's energy efficiency, keeping your living space comfortable year-round, and helping you save money on energy bills. From improved insulation and temperature control to better protection against the elements and noise reduction, these windows offer a range of benefits that make your home more energy efficient and sustainable. Whether you're looking to lower energy costs, increase comfort, or add value to your home, Miami Impact Windows provide an investment that pays off in both the short and long term.